Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the Mr. Black Quest 2 in Abyss Roblox. So to start the Mr. Black Quest 2, the Shady Business, you first just need to talk to Mr. Black in here. This is Mr. Black. So first you need to talk to Mr. Black and start the quest. And for the quest, you need to do some two missions. The first one, you need to catch 4 Coral Mutated Fish. And the second one, you need to catch 3 Metal Mutated Fish. So I'm going to show you what the coral mutation will look like. So this is how the coral mutation fish look like. It will be colored in blue and in like the coral color. And for the metal one, this is how the metal fish look like. It looks like metal in silver like this. So you need to catch those fish, and after that you need to talk to Mr. Black again to finish the quest. Here you can just click on I've completed your quest to get the rewards, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, so you get some cash and also 5-star shards, also get small oxygen pods. So that's how you can complete the Mr. Black Quest 2. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.